Alright, here is a Hunter R&M original with a grape leaf plate, another one of these. This one is all antique brass. The other one I have has a bright brass or polished brass grape leaf plate. Schoolhouse Globe is not authentic, but I do like it because it's childhood for me. Reversaire cane blades, isolation ring, kind of a rare combo. I think the tag is right there. Let's see if I can get around to it. Hope you saw that. You know, as with most, if not all R&M fans, the low is very fast. In 84, 85, when Hunter separated from R&M, they did R&M's final original was 3 speeds. And that was a very rare version of the R&M original, since that was the last one, kind of short-lived. I have one, and coincidentally that is the other grape leaf I have. And then I think the original version after that was 3-speed with a top-mounted reverse switch, I believe. This one is not reversible, obviously. That's why it has Reversaire. Most of the vibrating is the light. It has an LED bulb in there. Really like the grape leaf casting. I have an oak leaf plate in the car. I do want to find another one of these R&M or antique brass R&M original fans for. And then obviously ivy leaf is the other of the 3. Grape leaf is definitely the most common. Anyway, that is my antique brass grape leaf Reversaire R&M original. Hope you enjoyed.